These are the 7 ways mature professionals make money with digital marketing without looking foolish. Look, I get it. You're over 40. You've got decades of experience. But every time someone mentions Facebook ads or email funnels, you feel like you need a translator. But here's what's crazy. The most successful digital marketers I know aren't 25-year-old tech wizards. They're people just like you, who figured out one simple truth. Your age isn't a disadvantage, it's your secret weapon. See, while younger folks are chasing the latest shiny object, you understand something they don't. People. Real human psychology. What actually makes someone buy. And that's exactly what digital marketing is about. So here are the 7 signs you're ready to break free from career prison and start making real money online. First, you're tired of pretending you understand what everyone's talking about in meetings. That frustration? That's your brain telling you it's time to learn. Second, you've caught yourself thinking, I could do this better. When you see a terrible ad online, that's your experience talking. Third, you've started asking your kids or grandkids about social media. That curiosity is the first step to mastery. Fourth, you feel left out when colleagues discuss digital strategies. That discomfort means you're ready to change. Fifth, you've tried learning from YouTube but felt overwhelmed. That tells me you need structure, not more random videos. Sixth, you've wondered if it's too late to start something new. That question means you're already considering the possibility. And seventh, you're watching this video right now. That proves you haven't given up. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Digital marketing isn't about being tech savvy. It's about understanding people. And nobody understands people better than someone who's lived long enough to see patterns. The question isn't whether you can learn this stuff. The question is, how much longer will you let fear keep you stuck? While others half your age make money with skills you could master in 90 days? Want help making this shift? I built Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus for people just like you. It's step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and gets you results faster than figuring it out alone. Link in the description to a free resource. You can start today.